Hello kids, welcome to Skits4kids. I miss you so much. But today, we're gonna learn scary creatures. Oops, sorry. We're gonna learn zoo animals. Yay! Yes, a lion, roar, is a zoo animal. Any other zoo animals you know? Hmm. A zebra! Yay! Z for zebra! Yay! You're so smart. I miss you. Let's go. Wow, it's very dark. Can you say lights so we can have lights? Let's go. Lights! It's so bright now. Thank you. Wow. What is that? It's a tiger. Yay. You're so smart. It's a tiger. Yes. A tiger says roar. Yes. A tiger roars. Roars. Yes. Just like a lion. We said a lion. Lion. Hello, Mr. Lion. The kids say they love you. Lions roar. Tigers roar. Okay, let's move on. What is that? Thinking. It's a zebra! Good! You're so smart! Yes, it's a zebra. Zebras have white and black stripes. White and black stripes. White stripe, black stripe, white and black stripes. Yay, you're so smart. It's a zebra. Good. I love you. Let's go. What is that? Do you know? Let me give you a hint. It says woof, woof, woof. Yay! You're so good at this. It's a dog. Good. I am so impressed. You're super smart. It's a dog. Yay! You're good at this. Dogs say woof, woof. Again, woof, woof. Again, woof, woof. Yay! You're so smart. It's a dog. Yay! Now, what is that? It has wings, but it cannot fly. It's a penguin! Yay! You're so good at this. Penguin. Penguin. Penguins are found in the coldest places on Earth. Penguins are found in the coldest places on Earth, like Antarctica. Yes, it's so cold. Freezing cold. Have you ever gone to Antarctica before? Me? No, I do not like it there. It's super cold, but penguins love it. Penguins live in Antarctica. Yay, you're so smart. Let's go. What bird is that? It's so huge. It's the largest bird ever. It's the ostrich. Yay! Ostrich is the largest Ostrich is the largest bird. It cannot fly because it is too big. It's so big it cannot flap, and fly. Yes, that is an ostrich. Yay, let's go. It's a yellow duckling. Yay, you're so good. It's a yellow duck. Yellow duck. Yellow duck. Do you know the color yellow? Yes, that is the color yellow. It's a yellow duck. Yellow duck. Yay. Duck say quack, 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 quack. Yay. Duck say quack, 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 quack. Yes, duck say quack, 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 quack. Yay, you're so good at this. Duck say quack, quack. Yay, let's go. It's the Cuckoo Chicken. Hello, Mr. Cuckoo Chicken. Girls and boys, let's learn more about the Cuckoo Chicken from the Cuckoo Chicken song. Let's go.
Chicken is my name. Cuckoo chicken is my name. All your friends love me to be tame. All your friends love me to be tame. You eat me for chicken at dinner. Eat my hands with food. You eat me for chicken at dinner. Eat my hands with food. Cuckoo chicken, cuckoo chicken, cuckoo chicken, cuckoo chicken. Hello, my name is Mrs. Hen. I always leave in a pen. I lay any eggs or cheese for breakfast. Lay any eggs or cheese for cake. Lay any eggs or cheese for dinner. I am Mr. Hen in a pen. I am Mr. Hen in a pen.
Watch Kids Underwater Adventure on Skits4Kids Toddler learning videos now.
Welcome back, kids. Today's special letter is letter O. Yay! Yes. Today's special letter is letter O. Good. You're so good at this. Letter O in ostrich. Good. You're so smart. Ostrich as O. Ostrich as O. Good. What about the next one? Does it have a hole in it? What is that? Oh, orange! Yay! It's an orange. Orange is a juicy fruit that is good for vitamin C. Yes, orange has... Oh, 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 yes. Orange has... Oh, good. So we have O in ostrich, O in orange. Yay, you're so smart. The orange ostrich. Good, yes. O in orange and ostrich. Good, let's go. Sing the phonics song. If you can't, let's sing together. A for apple, A for ant, You get it? A for apple, A for ant. Let's go. B for ball, B for bats, ba, ba, ba. Okay, now letter C. C for cat, C for cat. Okay, now letter D. D for duck, D for duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck, duck, duck. Yay. You can be singing along as we continue. Let's go. E for egg, E for elf. F for fish, F for frog. G for goat, G for ghost. G. H for house, H for horse. J for jump, J for jaguar. K for cat, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for mouse, M for man. N for nail, N for nuts. O for oranges, or for open. P for potato, P for pot. Q for... Yeah, you follow? Let's go. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for roses, R for rats. S for tree, S for tiger. U for umbrella, U for uvula. V for violet, V for violet. W for water, W for west. Let's go. Ox for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yacht, Y for yacht. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Yay! You learned it. You can now sing the alphabet phonic song. Today's special emotion is to be sorry. Mommy, I'm so sorry I broke the plates. Can you please forgive me and buy me sweet boxes of chocolate? Yay, thank you, Mommy. Yes, when you do something that you know is very, very bad, you say sorry. When you tell Mommy and Daddy, no, I don't want this. You say, Mommy and Daddy, I'm sorry. I wasn't disrespectful. I just wanted a box of chocolate. Yes, to be sorry means you do not like what you did and you regret it and you're trying to be better. So next time someone says sorry, you know they mean it. Or next time you do something very, very naughty, very, very fast, say, Mommy, Daddy, I'm very sorry. Yay. And they will give you a special box of chocolate for being a good, good kid. I love you. Mommy and Daddy loves you very much also. Let's go.
Hello, kids. Let's sing. 1, 2, 3 eggs. Red, yellow, green eggs. No funner. Sing along. Counting is fun. Spelling is funner. No funner. Let's go. Yes, sing.
Skits4kids songs. Hey kids, let's learn super simple words. Let's go. Mama, 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 mama. Papa, 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 papa. Doggy, 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 doggy. Kitten, 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 kitten. Bath, 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 bath. Nap. Nap. Now kids, clap your hands and sing along. Mama, Papa, Doggy, Kitten.
Do you know some animal sounds, kids? Elephant trumpets, elephant trumpets. Do you know how a trumpeting elephant sounds? You don't? Let trumpeting elephants. Yes. What about monkey? Monkeys gibber. Gibber, gibber, gibber. Gibber, gibber, gibber. Do you know how a gibbering monkey sounds? Let's see it again. Yes, monkeys gibber. What about cows? Cows do. Thinking. They moo. Yes, cows moo. Yes, cows moo. Have you ever seen a mooing cow? Let's see. Oh, the mooing cow. Yes, let's check out some animal sound song now.
Come on, let's see zoo animals. Oh, wow! Lion. Roar, 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 roar. Tiger. Roar, 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 roar. Snake. Hiss, 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 hiss. Elephant. Horse. Monkey. Zebra. Mr. Zookeeper. Hello, kids. You just learned some zoo animals. Let's go. Lion. Roar, roar, roar. Tiger. Roar, roar, roar. Snake. Hiss, hiss, hiss. Elephant. Horse. Monkey. Zebra. Bye-bye.
Live.
Oh, where are you? Live.
I've loved spending today with you guys. You've made me feel so happy. I miss you so much, but it's time to say goodbye. For now, I'll see you when I see you. I love you. Be very good. No naughty naughty. Because I will not send you a special box of chocolate for Christmas. But I know you're very good.
T O Y S for kids. I'm playing with my baby doll, playing with my baby doll. Play, 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 play with my baby doll. It's a pink doll, it's a pink doll. Play, 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 play with my baby doll. I'm playing with my blue ball, playing with my blue ball. Play, 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 playing with my blue ball. Playing with my blue ball, playing with my blue ball. Play, 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 playing with my blue ball. Quack, quack. I'm playing with my baby duck, playing with my baby duck. Play, 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 playing with my baby duck. Playing with my baby duck, playing with my baby duck. Play, 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 playing with my baby duck. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack. I'm jumping on my mommy's bed, jumping on my mommy's bed. Jump, 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 jumping on my mommy's bed. Jumping on my mommy's bed, jumping on my mommy's bed. Jump, 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 jumping on my mommy's bed. Jump, jump, jumping on my mommy's bed. Jump, jump, jumping on my mommy's bed. Having fun with friends, having fun with friends. Been a fun time drinking out with friends. Bye bye now, bye bye now. See you later, gotta play it more.